Ako yung tipo ng lalaki na ginagawang prinsesa ang jowa. Hatid sundo, date at gifts, lahat ng pag-aalaga. Minsan nga nagpapabanner pa ako kapag monthsary namin. Pero nagtaka ko nung sinabi niyang, "Wag mo kong sakalin." Hindi pala lahat ng babae gusto yung binibaby. Hindi pala lahat ng babae gusto sa lalaki ay showy. Nahihiya daw siya sa pinaggagawa ko. Akala ko lang naman kasi matutuwa siya kung expressive ako. Ako si Johnny, pagiging showy ang language of love ko. Mali ba talaga kung ganito ako magmahal? My love, I'm not gonna tell you na mali yung ginagawa mo, and I'm not gonna tell you na mali yung girlfriend mo for not appreciating kung paano mo i-express yung nararamdaman mo para sa kanya. Kasi meron tayong kanya-kanyang way on how to express ourselves. Meron din tayong kanya-kanyang paraan kung paano i-perceive yung perception natin of the things that are shown to us. Iba-iba din yung pagtanggap natin doon. So, siguro my love, there could have been a better way for her to express yung thoughts niya about your way of expressing your love para sa kanya. May mga paraan naman to tell you na, alam mo, na-appreciate ko yung ginagawa mo, yung sinusundo mo ko, yung surprise, yung pagiging proud mo sa relationship natin, may pa-banner ka pa and all that, na-appreciate ko yon. But you don't need to do that for me. Ako yung tipo ng babae na nakaka-appreciate ng little things. Ako yung tipo ng babae na hindi masyadong, alam mo yon, hindi masyadong into ganong klaseng expressions of love. I love that you are trying to make me feel like I am a princess, but I don't want you to overdo things just to make me feel that I am special. Kung ganun sana yung pagkakasabi sa'yo, Johnny, kung ganun sana yung pagkaka-express niya ng thoughts niya, ng opinion niya sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa kanya, things could have been better. But for her to tell you bluntly and honesty na nasasakal siya because of what you're doing, para kasi siyang miscontext. Alam mo yung parang, in what way ka nasakal? When a person is not really trying to limit you, not controlling you, but just merely expressing yung overflowing love na meron siya para sa'yo. It's kind of unfair na ganun niya nakita yung ginagawa mo para sa kanya. But again, like what I've said kanina, iba-iba tayo ng pagtanggap sa mga nakikita natin at ine-express sa atin. Siguro yun yung dating sa kanya na parang nape-pressure siya na kailangan niyang gumawa ng same thing for you, nape-pressure siya na do I have to be as showy as he is for him to understand and realize kung gaano ko siya kamahal, kung gaano siya kaimportante sa akin. Maybe she felt like yung ginagawa niya para sa'yo, yung ine-express niya sa'yo, yung sinasabi niya sa'yo, it's all too short. Short-handed siya. Ibig sabihin, kulang yung ginagawa niya because ganun yung ginagawa mo. Nahihirapan siyang tapatan, more so nahihirapan siyang lagpasan. That pressure in her is too much para ma-handle niya. That's why siguro nasabi niya na wag mo kong sakalin. Kasi yung pressure of being paired to someone as expressive as you is suffocating for her. So my love, Johnny, walang problema sa way mong magmahal ng tao. Pero I think these are the moments wherein communication will always come in handy. If ever may chance pa to fix anything in your relationship, if ever meron pang chance to talk about it, open the conversation na what do you want for na i-dial down natin sa relationship natin. Ano yung gusto mo na medyo ibahin natin for you not to feel like kailangan mo kong tapatan, kailangan mong higitan yung ginagawa ko, for you not to feel like I'm suffocating you with my love. Kasi ako, nakikita ko lang siya as me merely expressing and me merely just making you feel how important you are to me. But if it doesn't feel that way for you, if it feels too much for you, then let me know. You have to open that, my love. Hindi din kasi pwede sa isang relationship na tanggap lang tayo ng tanggap pa ng tinatawag nilang quote-unquote constructive criticism. Hindi pwedeng tanggap lang tayo ng tanggap ng mga negative things na nakikita nila sa atin. We need to open a communication line wherein both of you will freely feel like you can tell each other everything. So if it's not yet too late, if it's not yet done, if the relationship is something na kaya pang amend, kaya pang ayusin, then my love, open up to her. Now this is who I am, and this is what I want you to feel with everything I do. If it's too much for you, then tell me. I'll try to adjust so that we can meet halfway. Naintindihan niyo ako, my love? There's always a fine line between romance and merely just showing off. It's not a contest, guys. Hindi naman namin kailangan mga babae na kailangan mas garbo yung gawin nyo para sa amin in comparison with the guys we see online. You've already won our hearts. You don't need to overdo things just to make us feel special. Again, the intention is great, the intention is good. Pero if you won't open the communication line, kung di kayo magko-communicate properly, then hindi magsisync, hindi magkakaroon ng chemistry yung kilos nyo sa isa't isa. I think it's just a form of communication between you and her. Now, if all else fails, if ayaw niya pa din, if feeling niya you are just too much for her, then maybe, my love, you just have to accept it. Pero never ever think na there's something wrong with you. Marami naman kasing mga issues sa isang relationship na kayang ayusin basta nag-uusap. If the other party fails to do such thing, yung communication, then it's not the fault of the other party. Tandaan mo, kapag gustong ayusin ang isang relasyon, may paraan. Kapag ayaw na talaga, madaming dahilan. Klaro? Klaro.